I'm going to show you some beautiful fabrics. So the advantage of these designer fabrics, in my opinion, is when we get them in, these are all knits today, and they're all beautiful, is they have coordinating, a lot of times they have coordinating colors that go with them. So while this could be easily and pick up the black, you can see this coordinating color is just perfect. It's right on. It's like a really light seafoam green. It's just not a seafoam green. It's more like just a pastel green, but it's the same color in there, and you can see how pretty. So let's get started. This is poly cotton poly, whichever. It has stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric, beautiful drape, just lovely. And then it goes with this. This is a terry. It's a French terry on the back. It's 100% cotton. It's a beautiful fabric, stretch in both directions. You could really easily make a pair of yoga pants and then a top to match, and it would just be a really pretty combination. Or many things. I don't mean to kind of tell you what to do by any means. This is a cotton poly. Also, you see the blues. Looks like a mosaic tile. And then we come in, this is a cotton poly, and then we come in with this cotton poly. This is a Pontoroma, or like a Pontoroma, and you can see the blend and how beautiful that is together also. All of these are $12.99 today. Today, tomorrow, they'll be $12.99. We see burnouts now, and this is by the designer. It's called the Bud Velvet Burnout Dusty Pink. Beautiful, again, cotton poly, because when you have a burnout, you have to have a cotton poly. Then this is a second skin. It's got a little bit of cotton in it, mostly poly, but you can see again that combination, how pretty that is together, and how laying one over the other, I've got them backwards so that it's hard to see, but how laying one over the other really pops the pink. Isn't that beautiful together? And so we've got, they're all 60 inches wide. They're $12.99 today, tomorrow. And the goal is to just have gorgeous fabrics, and you know what it is. Happy sewing. Thanks. Bye.